Standard 3rd Grammar, Chapter 4, Part 2. Topic is numbers. And our today's subtopic is singular, plural. In my previous video, also you all learned singular and plural nouns. Am I right? But in that video, you made plural forms by adding s or es. Okay, but in this video you will learn some more plural forms, how to make singular forms to the plural forms. Okay, so there are so many ways to learn and to make plural forms of singular forms that we will learn. But first of all, countable nouns can be both singular and plural, as I said in my previous video, right? They can be shown with a number, means 1 boy, 4 boys, 1 table, 5 tables. Like that way you can show singular and plural nouns with the countable nouns with the numbers. See the example: 1 person, 1 animal, 1 place and 1 thing. Okay, this is called a singular noun. 2 persons, 2 animals, 2 places and 2 things. More than 1. Okay, more than 1 is called a plural noun. So now we will learn some more plural forms, how to make this plural form with some conditions that you will learn in examples. If a noun ends in a consonant plus y, consonant means except A, E, I, O, U. In our alphabet, total 26 letters. Among those 26 letters, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Remain all letters are consonant. So you can see last word HOBBIES. This is the example of this plural form. We will learn some more example. But first listen this: consonant plus Y. You have to drop Y, okay, and add IES to its singular form. In order to change its to plural form. With this definition, maybe you will definitely not understand, but let me explain you by some examples. Bakeries. See here, country, countries. In singular form, the spelling is COUNTRY. Before Y, there is a consonant R. R is a consonant. Okay. So, we have to drop this Y. We have to remove this Y to make plural noun. How you will drop and how you will add? See in the answer, COUNTRIES, countries. You can see in the answer, I drop Y. Instead of Y, I return IES. Am I right, student? Learn it carefully. Instead of Y, I return IES to make plural forms. Country, countries. This is only one country of India. And these are so many countries you can see in the map. Right? We have to drop Y from the singular noun and we have to add IES to make plural noun. Country, countries. Now see some another examples. CITY, city. Before Y you can see T letter, and this T letter is consonant. See, in answer CITIES, cities. Okay, so here one city and here two cities are in the picture. Before Y, this is T. T is consonant. Okay, we have to drop Y in the answer. You can see Y in the answer? No. Instead of Y, I return IES in the answer to make plural form. City, cities. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by Y change into plural form simply by addition of S. Again, you will see example of the word with ends with Y. Okay, but here we will not drop Y and we will not add IES. See the example. TRAY, tray. The last letter is Y. Okay, so before this slide I told you you have to drop Y and add IES, but here I add IES? No, because in TRAY, tray spelling, you can see before Y there is a vowel. A letter is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U letters are vowels. Okay, and this A letter is vowel. So before Y, if there is a vowel, so you have to add only S in the answer. Only S. You have to add only S in the answer to make plural form. You can see the answer TRAYS. I am not putting IES. I am putting only S because before Y there is a vowel. Here one another example. KEY, key. Before Y there is E vowel. AEIOU. E is vowel. So before Y there is E vowel. Am I right? So we will not drop Y and we will not add IES. Instead of that, we will keep Y as it is and we have to add S only. Okay? KEY, key. KEYS, keys. Whenever you have to add IES, first of all you have to see before Y there is a consonant. Then and then you can drop Y and you can add IES. If before Y there is a vowel, no need to drop Y, only you have to add S with the singular noun. So it will make plural noun. Okay? Key, keys. Now second one, nouns ending in F and FE form their plural by changing the F and FE into VES. See the downside, leaves and knives. Okay, let me explain you with the example. See here, LEAF, leaf. Okay, last letter is F, but whenever you want to make plural form, you have to drop F and you have to write VES instead of F. See, in the answer I have not written F but I add VES. LEAF, leaf. LEAVES, leaves. Instead of F, I add VES to make plural forms. Wife, wives. As I told you in my definition, whenever the last letter is F or FE, you have to remove or drop F or FE, and instead of that we have to add VES to make plural form. Here you can see WIFE. Here FE. FE we have to drop, we have to remove, and then we have to add instead of FE VES. Instead of FE we have to add VES to make plural form. WIFE wife, WIVES wives. SHELF shelf. Instead of F I write VES. SHELVES shelves. Shelf, shelves. Now see, some plural nouns are irregular. We will see now irregular plural nouns, and their spellings need to be memorized. Means their spelling will totally change in the plural form. See, child, there is one child, but here CHILDREN, children. Okay, so this is the plural form of child. The spelling is totally changed. No need to add IES, S, ES, VES. You have to change the whole spelling. Man, men. Here between A will change in plural form. Instead of A, I return E. Man, men, because there are two men. Okay, man, men singular, man, men plural. TOOTH, tooth, means only one tooth. Instead of double O, in answer we return double E to make plural form. TEETH, teeth. Some nouns we have the same form in the singular and the plural. Means example C, downside, DEER, deer. In singular form also deer, in plural form also deer. If there is one deer, then also deer. If there are 10 deer, so but deer. No need to add any form, S, ES, IES, VES, nothing. No need to add anything. The answer will be same as it is. You can see by examples. SHEEP, ship. One shape or more than one shape. The answer will be same as it is. Hair, if one hair or whole stuck of the hair, then also hair. No need to change in plural form. Okay. Now see, deer. Deer, one deer, also deer, and more than one deer, also the same. Answer will be same as it is. So some nouns will be not changed in singular or in plural. It will be same as it is in the answer. Okay children, so in this video we learned remove Y and add IES if there is before vowel. Then the second one, don't remove Y if there is before consonant. Okay, so that you all have to remember in your mind whatever you learn in this video. Okay, so till then learn it carefully. See this video again and again. Learn carefully and listen it also carefully. Then and then you will understand these all plural forms. Okay, till then stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.